Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike. It's Tuesday, October 14th. MOJO Day Trade Room video recap for the day. We're done for the day at 11:30. Been done actually since 11 o'clock. And let me go through the trading for today. First tonight is first class of MOJO University for the October class. Going to have a full packed house. And if you want to learn day trading, you should come by the MOJO Day Trading Room, become a pro trader through MOJO University, and make the kind of profits that these traders are making with MOJO on a daily basis. Here's the trades we did today on 10/14. We started off with AKS as a trend trade that we got an average to 578, sold it at 581. The first buy was 592. To go through 6 at the open. Then we bought a dip, and then we bought one more time. And if you're not into scaling and you're just going to buy once with a certain amount of shares and see which way it goes, if you're going to win or lose, you'll be a 70 to 80% accurate trader. The reason why MOJO is 98, 95, and 90% is, number one, we have a system that we trade off of. Number two, we use scaling when we buy and when we sell. We have a lot of buying power and we have a lot of patience. In order to be a day trader and be successful, you need to be able to scale into the trade. Who knows what the first price is going to be? Is it going to go higher or lower? Then you readjust from there. You get a nice average cost. Don't worry about the ticket charges, because if you're making 15, 20 cents on a scalp on 1,000, 2,000 shares, making $200 or $300, who cares about $20 or $30 in costs and fees? As long as you're right more than you're wrong. You always go to the casino and you win $300 in a pot, you're going to throw the dealer, here you go dealer, here's a couple of chips. It's the same thing. You're just paying for information. So the more times you scale in, the better information that you get, and the better results and accuracy that you have on your trades. And right here for the month, we've done 126 trades. We traded SCTY. First trade, check it out, 49.80 to 50.08. Then the stock dumped. 47.80 was the second trade from 50.08. It's 2.5 points. How did we get 2.5 points lower? Here's what happened. SCTY. This is what we call a bump trade. The average scale is 3 scales, 100 shares, 200 shares, and 700 shares to get 1,000. Okay? Here's SCTY right here on the open. Look, we sold it up here above 50. It went to 50.24. Then kabam! Look at that, 48.19. This is where we were buying right here. So right here was the sell SCTY at 50.20. Here's the buys right now. Entry number 1 right here at 49.02. Entry number 3, 48.77. And part 3, number 2, the biggest at 58 to 65. SCTY, 1,000 shares average, 48.80. Okay? Not done with that trade yet. Didn't work out yet. Now the average trader on this trade at 48.80 would lose. It's 9:50 in the morning. The stock dropped, buying another 1,000 on this stopping station of 477 to 82. Okay, average 48.30. Just brought it from 80 to 30. Now the ask is 48.08. Then the stock dumped. Gonna bump trade. Had 2,000 at 48.30, 2,000 at 47.50 and lower. Average 47.80. Okay? At 10:03. 1 minute later, profitable at 47.90 to 48. Sold 48.02. Sold 48.10. Got 1,000 left. Flat on the bump trade on SCTY. Saved where the average person would have lost. Because we use scaling, buying power, and patience for it to drop the levels to get a good enough cost average to bump back out of it. And actually played it again, did the same thing. Look, SCTY, entry 47.55, double it at 32 at 300, triple it at 27, 700 to go, long 900, now long 1,000. Long 1500, 46.85. First buy was 47.32. Goes back to 47.32. We're so profitable. Getting 2,000, 65 to 75. Now long 3,000 at 47.20. Selling here 47.80, 90. Selling through 48. SCTY sold 48. So the beauty of scaling, buying power and patience with the journaling and the skills and systems with Mojo produce a 95% win rate. GTAT long at 44.45, selling at 51. AVNR made 12. JNUG profitable, made money there. NNBC new high, made money there. NETE new high today at 173, and Mojo put the symbol out to buy here. NETE at an entry at 145.50. We're going to double it up at 154.55 at 10.11, and NETE just took off to $1.70 at 10.35. And the beauty of the Mojo room is Pro Trader Mike, the guy that's talking, is doing all the picks. I control the room. I control the system. I'm telling you when to buy, when to sell. I am 95% accurate. Everybody does make money every day. These traders in here, Alan, 22.31, Pete, 17.11, Nori, 175, 200, 609, 280. You think these people come in here today, I'm paying these people to put up their profits and Fagazel everybody? It's real deal, everybody. Trader Zen, brand new to the room, and in Mojo U tonight, 650, great job. Brando, brand new to the room, 420. Dean, KK, earlier, 229, 100, 1322, 740, 200. We're done for the day at 10 o'clock in the morning. And that's how Mojo trades for the day. So if you're not trading with the Mojo and you think the system is jocked, then you're probably following and listening to the wrong people. I'm not like this guy who has a day trading room and puts out signals like this. CNET, which I called this morning at $1.50, went to $2. Okay, CNET. Buy at $1.60 with a 10-cent stop. It's now $2.25. How good am I now? I gave it to you all at $1.60 in the room. Meanwhile, it went to $1.70, back to $1.55, back to 70 and 55 before it ever went to $2.25. So you're telling me you're going to buy it, withhold a profit, let it go, come down, look at a loss, let it go back up, you profit again, let it go, up and down. Now it's $2.25, and you're saying, I gave it to you at $1.60. It's unrealistic day trading. So if anybody has a room that they're telling you, hey, buy a stock, SCTY, at $48.70 with a 20-cent stop, and now the stock's $3 higher, and he tells you, I gave you that thing, run for the hills. Okay? If it's an old guy with a crackly voice saying he's had the room for 10 years, run for the hills. Okay? New America, new systems. It's the Mojo. Keep it profitable, baby. Don't be scared.